Hello everyone, welcome back to another Square Code episode where today we are doing Python. So let's do this. By the way, I'm using PyCharm, which is by JetBrains again. I've also used WebStorm and IntelliJ. All by JetBrains. I hope they're really good. They have really good IDEs, but you can use Replit, Cloud9. I don't really care as long as you have an IDE, or you don't even need one, but it's very hard, source code and all that. But let's get right into it. Load fast? No. Something changed. So this is it. This is PyCharm. Let's create a new directory, and I'm gonna call it, right. And let's create another directory where this is going to be called preview, because that's what we're doing today. We can do HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in here, but it's not the best because it doesn't even have all the external libraries. So I'm not sure HTML has external libraries. Yeah, but that's what we're going to be doing here today. Now I'm creating a new Python file. Actually, I don't need to do that. Let's just create a new file, and let's call it, let's call this something.py. This gives us a Python file, something.py, and we're going to be looking at the first thing that comes to mind whenever you're using Python, print. If you've never used Python, this is the one thing that everybody uses most, and that's the print function. And what it does is, actually, I am not that sure. Why don't we find out together? Alright. The only way to find out is to figure out where the run button is. There we go. Let's press that button. Nope. No. Terminate. I'd like to run this guy, please. Let's run something. It literally does actually, I'm not that sure. That's what print does. And now, the way we can create variables, normally in JavaScript we can use var something, but that's not how we do it. Literally something. That's how we make a variable. Equals, we can make this equal to a string. We can make this equal to a string, an integer, a boolean, but I want it to equal to an input. This is a lot easier. The way we do it is, we just need to type in whatever the input question is. For example, what is your name? And now we can type in if statements just like that. First things first, let's run this. What is your name? Let's do that. And now we can write an if statement. If something, now this is how, with one equal to sign, you set it equal to something, but this checks. Remember, set check. Okay, so now we want to check if it's equal to square code. Now we type in the colon, print. Welcome back, square code. And now we can go, normally in HTML we go else if, but this is, the way I remember is by remembering the word elephant, but this is how you write else if inside Python. Now go else if something equals to Ronald. My name isn't Ronald, by the way. It's different. But let's put that there. Then we go print. You are a weird... Oh my god, somebody help me here. Ah! There we go. Fellow Ronald. And then we go else... else, and we just type that there, and then print Huh. I have never heard the name. If you haven't watched this tutorial, I'll explain everything later. Wait a sec, let me just... Before. What this does is it checks what did you write in the input something. If it's square code, welcome back. Wow, typo. Square code. I hope your day is going well. And then it says, if it's not that, it'll check if it is Ronald. Then you are a weird fellow, Ronald. And if it's not any of those and it's not anything, then I've never heard the name, whatever you typed here, before. Let's check this out. So, actually, I'm not that sure. I don't really need you anymore. And we're going to be learning one last thing, death. Or actually, I'm going to keep this tutorial small and not teach you that now, later, in a different episode. So we could just type in square code. Welcome back, square code. I hope your day's going well. And process exits. Now let's try Ronald. You are a weird fellow. And if it is Bobby Jones. I've never heard the name Bobby Jones before. Now I'm going to sneeze. Okay, so that's about it. Gonna wrap it up for this episode of news. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a big fat thumbs up. That'd be greatly appreciated. Also, please do subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Press that post notification button, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everybody! See you later in a future episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode.